Hello everyone, welcome to Listen Up. Now in this video we will find the convolution of two rectangular signal. Suppose we are taking the same equation. So this is the equation of one rectangular signal and this is the equation of second rectangular signal. So how we will plot this? This will be from -3 to 1 and this will be from -1 to 1 and amplitude will be 1. So if we convolve these two rectangular signal, we always get a trapezoidal signal. And what will be the limit of this trapezoidal signal? See, this is 3 minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4. Then minus 3, this is plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. We'll do the same with this also. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the lower limit is minus 4 and upper limit is 2. So this will be minus 4, minus 2, 0 and 2. Now to find the magnitude, we multiply the amplitude of both the equation. So first we need to find the slope. To find the magnitude, first we need to find the slope, that is m. So slope will be the product of both amplitude. So this will be 1 into 1, this is 1. Okay, and we know this equation y is equal to mx plus c. With the help of this equation we will find the amplitude of this trapezoidal. So initially when y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. So if this is 0, x is equal to minus 4 and value of m is 1 plus c. So c is equal to 4. Now we'll put this in this equation, y is equal to m is 1 and instead of x I use t because this axis represent t plus value of c is 4. So y is equal to t plus 4. Now what is the value of y at t is equal to minus 2? So value of y at t is equal to minus 2 will be minus 2 plus 4, this will be 2. So the amplitude will be 2 and since from this point to this point it is constant, so you will get the same amplitude. Okay. Now in next question, suppose we have two rectangular signal. One is x of t and another one is h of t. This is from 0 to 4 and this is from 0 to 2. Amplitude of x of t is 10 and amplitude of h of t is 5. Now if we convolve these two, we will get a trapezoidal. Okay, and what will be the limit? 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 4, that is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So we arrange this digit. So this will be 0, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, and what will be the slope m? This will be 10 into 5, that is 50. Now equation y is equal to mx plus c, where initial value of y is 0. Here initial value of y is 0 and x is also 0 at this initial point. So here y is equal to 0, m is equal to 50, but x is equal to 0 plus c. So c will be equal to 0. So what is the value of y? That is 50. What is the value of x actually? X is actually t axis, so I write 50t. Now what is the value of y at t is equal to 2? So at this point value of y will be 50 into 2, which is 100. So the magnitude of this will be 100. Now convolution of x of t, which is 10 from 0 to 4, with h of t, which have magnitude of 5 from 0 to 2. So this 2 is a rectangular signal, so we will get a trapezoidal signal, and the limit will be 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Now the slope m will be 10 into 5, that is 50, and y is equal to 50x plus c, and if initially if x is equal to 0, y is also equal to 0 at this point. Okay, so c will be equal to 0. Now y will be equal to 50x, so I represent x with t, so I write 50t. So at t is equal to 2, what will the value of y? That is 100. Okay, so if you do convolution of x of t into h of t, or h of t into x of t, if you replace this also, you will get the same result. Now if we convolve two equal rectangles, that is u of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1 convolve with u of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1, like this. Magnitude will be 1 from minus 1 to 1. If we convolve this with the same signal, that is magnitude is 1 from minus 1 to 1. Now if you convolve two same rectangular signal, then you will not get a trapezoidal, but you will get triangular signal. So like this also you can recognize that if you find the limit, that is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 1 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you are getting from minus 2 to 2, minus 2 2, and this will be 0. Okay, so what will the amplitude? Amplitude will find in the same way. So slope will be the product of amplitude of both signal, that is 1 into 1, so this is 1. Now y is equal to mx, that is 1 into x plus c. Initially if y is 0, x is minus 2 plus c, so the initial value is 2. So this equation can be written as x, we are representing x with t plus 2, and what is the value of y at t is equal to 0 at this point? Okay, so what is the value of y at t is equal to 0? Y is equal to 2, so at this point you will get 2. Now in next question, if we convolve the same equation, the same signal with the same amplitude, you will get triangular output, right? And what is the limit of that output? That is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. and slope m is equal to product of both the amplitude, that is 25, 5 into 5, 25. So y is equal to 25x plus c, and we are representing x with t. So you will get y is equal to 25t plus c, and initially if x is equal to 0 in y of t, if x is equal to 0, then t is also equal to 0, then c is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 25t. At t is equal to 2, what is the amplitude? Y will be equal to 25 into 2, that is 50. So at this point we will get amplitude 50. So this is y of t.